All right, so this is a 6-pack of SYLVANIA A19 E26 bulbs. Now, I'm not entirely certain the specs on these or what they look like, but I know they're LED. So let's cut into these and see what we're working with. Oh, okay. SYLVANIA TruWave technology, enhanced color experience, super dimmable, lasts 13 years, 450 lumens, and these are 40 watt. So we're gonna have to find somewhere to put these in on. Let's try them out, but look at this bulb. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't really say, I can't tell. I truly don't know. I don't think this is glass. Yeah, no, that's plastic. So, very nice looking bulb though. You can see these 4 strands. Looks like it'll be pretty bright. Let's open up a couple of these and screw these in and see exactly what they look like. All right, so we have 3 of our SYLVANIA bulbs. We have removed the bulbs here and we're gonna put all 3 of these in here to see what kind of brightness we get. Quick little side note here, these are 450 lumens a piece. So that should mean about 1,350 lumens in this room out of the 3 bulbs. And they cost about 66 cents per year to run. That's like on 8 hours a day. So let's cut this off. Close our door. Flip our light switch. Wow, that's a very nice color in my opinion. It's not too bright, it's not too subtle. To me, this puts off a very good brightness actually. You can see them up in there. These are plastic. I think I mentioned that before. That's it. That's, 3 bulbs in a little confined room. Definitely have more than enough brightness for what I would need to be able to see to do. 2 thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this has helped you out. Hopefully this has helped you out. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.